welcome to another video. I am Debbie. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I have a completion, and I did complete this back in the middle of December, but I never did a completion review, and so I wanted to go ahead and do that so I can show you. I've been saying I'm going to do it, but I wanted you to see this one. This is Santa Retro Believe, and this is from Diamond Art Club, and the artist is Susan Wingett, and it is a 42.6 centimeters by 42.6 centimeters, and this one had 36 colors. It was a round. This was exclusive to Hobby Lobby, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this one. It is the first Diamond Art Club that I actually purchased that was not on Diamond Art Club's website. So I went in and looking for a Christmas tree back in November, and they had these kits. I came out without a Christmas tree, but with this kit and then with a couple of ornaments. So at least I came out with something, right? And I wasn't going to get this one. My daughter saw it, really liked it, and so decided to go ahead, and it was really cute. Did not take me very long. And it's similar to Diamond Art Club, but it felt, for some reason, a little different, even though it's Diamond Art Club. And the drills are really sparkly. I'm going to hold this up a little bit so you can see how sparkly that they are. The drills are gorgeous. Some of them did not lay flat as well. I did have some, they weren't really popping drills, but they were sliding drills. They would slide over whenever I would put another drill on if it was next to it. So I don't know if the glue was different or didn't stick very well. Another issue that I had was with the actual stickers for the containers. And that was really strange because normally Diamond Art Club stickers stick without any problems, but these kept falling off. They kept popping up, and they were on containers I've used before, so it wasn't anything to do with the containers. I tried to use some Scotch tape, and of course when I did that, because the way the containers were made, it actually was sealing the containers. So I had to end up just keeping them in order, DMC order, and I had to keep looking back and forth and decided not to keep the drills just in case I may have gotten them off DMC for some reason, and I want to make sure I had the right colors to go into my box. So I put those in with my trash drills, and those are going to my neighbor who does some arts and crafts for her elementary school. So they don't go to waste when I say trash. It's just my little trash container. So I don't have anything on this one to kit down for you. And I should have waited to give those to her until after I completed this video, but she needed those colors. And so I went ahead and just gave her those instead of putting it in my little fire hydrant that I have for my drills. I just went ahead and put those in a baggie and gave those to her. So she was doing something with Valentine's and needed the reds and blacks, and she also wanted the greens for something else. So she went through and got what she wanted. But anyway, I really enjoyed this kit. It was a lot of fun, very fast. The only thing that I kind of look at the rendering, I think it looks really cute. I really like how they did the border around this. It went all the way around, it's the same color. It's also at on the other side there. Is one of Santa's eyes. The left eye here, it just looks very strange. It looks like he's almost winking or his eye is closed. Because then you have this one that's kind of zigzaggedy, and then you have this one. So it's kind of strange looking to me a little bit, but it's fine. And also Believe turned out very well. I'm always hesitant to do any diamond paintings that have letters, but this came out really well. It's easy to see. I like all the colors in this, and this blue on the outside here on the border, it actually matches my Advent canvas that I did. So that's really cool. I am going to put this one in my portfolio because of the size, and I'm not going to hang it up for next year. I have a couple more that I'm hoping to get done before Christmas next year, and those will be ones that I will be able to frame. And I could frame this one, and I may, but right now I'm just not sure. But I really like the washi tape that I chose too. This was from scrapbook.com, so I'm not really sure who the manufacturer of this was, but I did buy it from scrapbook.com in a bundle that I've had for a long time, but it's Christmas presents. So I thought that turned out really cute. It matches Santa very well. Everything else on here, was fine, and I didn't have any problems with drill sizes. The drills were very staticky, and that's something that I have been fighting with for a few months now. So that's nothing that is, a disadvantage or anything like that. But it's your typical Diamond Art Club. It rendered, well. It was easy to kit up, except for all of the static, and it was really easy to diamond paint, especially with it being rounds. And I really like how shiny, especially like there's a lot of the ABs in the bottom of his boot here, the top of his boot, and then the bottom of his boot there's a little bit of gray. But it did turn out really well, like all these gold, and these were gold special drills, and I didn't even realize that Diamond Art Club had those. It's the first time I'd seen Diamond Art Club with special drills. These are rhinestones, so I thought that was really cool. But I just wanted you to see how shiny and how pretty that this is. And again, I will put it in my collection. Sorry, I don't have anything to kit down on this one, but I will have other kitting downs when I finish the ones I'm working on in January. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.